Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Dusty Trails. I'm going to be replacing these busted ass plastic fittings on my 6.2 GMC. I upgraded to these metal T fittings, if that's what we want to call them. Heater hose connector. I suggest you do the same. Otherwise, the notorious plastic breakage is going to happen to you. That's where I pulled them off from, obviously. And in order to remain on the road, this is what we did, if you remember from a previous video. Heater core bypass. Well, all that's going to be repaired today. Season's changing. Grandpa Mobile needs a heater. Alright, I got the heater core fittings on, and as you can see, I chose to use the clamp method over this hump that you could see here in the earlier pics. It just seems a lot more reliable than those silly quick disconnect connectors they put on these hoses. So, final installation coming up. Alright, it's all back together. See the hose routing, the new metal fittings. There you go. Alright, time to fire it up. Alright, I fired it up, got it up to temp, fired up the heater. The auxiliary heater for the back. Reserviced the coolant. It's just indicating a little full because I'm on an incline. Everything checked good, no leaks. Rock and roll. Patrick out.